Good day, everyone. I am Wale, coming to you live on this program of kindness. I have proven more than 1 million times, and I will continue to prove it, that kindness can solve all the your problem. Unemployment, kidnapping, terrorism, ritual killing, stealing, and everything. Kindness can stop it. Not only in Nigeria, but in the rest of the world. We want to go ahead and look at a video, and the video is all about scientific evidence that kindness can change the whole world. Kindness through just one person extending to other people can change the whole world. Let's go and watch this video before we come and begin to analyze it. Thank you.
Ever have days when the whole world seems upside down and off kilter? Well, you can change that, and you can do it in less than a minute. Here's how. Grab a piece of paper, write down your name and the name of someone you know, then leave a blank space for a stranger's name. Got it? Good. Now, during the upcoming week, do something kind for each person on your list. It could be anything. Maybe it's treating yourself to something you love, raking your neighbor's leaves, or complimenting someone you don't know. That's it. Seem too simple? Well, it's not. Scientific studies show that random acts of kindness actually improve health and life satisfaction. They increase energy, optimism, self-worth, and our sense of belonging and connection in the world. Plus, they decrease anxiety, depression, and blood pressure. This transformation happens not only in the recipient and the giver of kindness, but surprisingly, also in the person who happens to witness the act of kindness. This means that if you do one act of kindness for one person today, and someone happens to witness it, you can, in that moment, improve the lives of 3 people. So do something that will make your future self proud. Share the power of kindness with all 3 people on your list. And who knows, if we get enough people practicing enough kindness, we might just set the world right again.
That is the video. Let's analyze it. The video starts with, have you ever been one that you think that the world is upside down? You think that the world is crazy? Man, if you are in Nigeria, this will be your situation every time. Whenever you wonder about the world, life, killing, kidnapping, ritual killing, unemployment, accident, almost every nefarious activities happen in Nigeria. If you think that the world is upside down, the book Scientific Empirical Proof says that you should do these things. He said, number 1, write your name. Write another person's name that you know, and then write one person's name that you don't know, or leave a blank space to one person that you don't know. In the next week or in the next day, do something good. That is, I don't know, do something that does not really require money for somebody that is like you yourself. Do something good for yourself. It could be money, it could not be money. It could be smile, it could be, it could be advice, it could be reading book, it could be singing for yourself, whatever. And do it for somebody that you love. There is a lot of things that could make another person happy. Just a call, just anything could just make another person happy. Now do it for one strange person, one person that you don't know. This is what that video said. That video said that you have done it for the whole world, and things will begin to change. The video mentioned 9 benefits that you will get by doing this simple act, by just helping yourself, making yourself happy, making another person happy, and then making one strange person, making somebody that you know happy, and then making one strange person happy. You have changed the whole world. You have affected the whole of human race. The video is saying that there are only 3 people in the life, and those are the 3 people: you yourself, somebody you know, and somebody you don't know. If you affect those people positively, smile. It could be anything. It could be what. And that is why we are going to be looking at a video where just what change somebody's life dramatically. Just a word changed somebody's life. A beggar was blind, and then he was begging people. He put something in it, and then somebody just came and just changed the word. Somebody just changed the word, like not beggar or something like that. But I want to see the beautifulness of the word, but I can't see because I am blind. And then that word just make a lot of people that was busy begin to give the person money. Let's go and watch the video. How just what? I have alleged so many times that most of the things that we need to do to change the world may not even require money. Let's go and watch it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the video that I said that you don't need money to change everything. See, the person sitting there wrote, I am blind. Now, this one, everybody is just passing. Businessman, traveling to abroad, everywhere. But these two good people, they don't need money to change. They just wrote one word. What did this girl wrote? And the girls wrote, today is a wonderful day, but I can't see. That is what the girls wrote. But before, what was in the board was, I am blind, please help. But the girl wrote, today is a wonderful day, but I can't see. And then everybody start to help. You don't need money. You don't need anything to do a lot of help. Just answering yes to some people can change somebody's life. You just saying no, the person didn't do something, can change somebody's life. You don't even need anything to help anybody in a lot of cases. Thank you very much. So that is the video. How just a word, just a pen. I have said it many times that if you can smile, it can improve, it can change another person. If you can read and write, it is for the blessing of another person. If you can walk about, smile, as in laugh, it is for the blessing of another person. It's not all about money. These people use money. Some of the girls just go there, just change this thing. They are secondary school girl acting drama. They just change the title of the thing in the board, and then the thing begin to bring money. Finally, I beg, listen to what I want to say, because president will not change Nigeria. If president wants to change Nigeria, we have seen president from the south, we have seen president from the north, we have seen president for the west. No one has even improved Nigeria even a bit. I have said, and I will keep saying, that kindness, love towards one another will affect every changes that we want. And we have seen numerous videos. We've seen scientific proof all throughout this month. And January, I'm coming with a powerful topic. Tinubu will not change Nigeria. Another president, I'm not a preacher of doom, but another president will not change too. But you and I helping each other. You and I loving each other. When I know come from the same tribe, that doesn't matter, brother. It doesn't matter. Show your love. Whoa. You and I showing each other love will change Nigeria. Thank you very much. I remain Wole, the Vice President of Oyekon Foundation.